love muffins? It's your girl DizastrousBeauty and I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be a Shein Valentine's Day haul, honey, okay? Skirt. Okay, y'all, so I also want to mention I will be doing a giveaway with these outfits, so stay tuned to the end so you guys can know. No, it's not going to be the outfits that I wore in this video. I have duplicates of all of these outfits, so I will be doing a giveaway. And once again, stay to the end to get the details on the giveaway. All right, carry on. I got something for the cute girlies, I got something for the sexy girlies, and I got something for the casual girlies, honey, okay? So I kind of tried to break it up like that, so because that was like what I was thinking when I was getting the dresses. I can be all three, honey. It just depends on what day you catch me on, and I'm pretty sure the majority of us all are all three, okay? And maybe a little something extra on the side. But before we get into this video and the dresses and all of those things, I want to say if you're not already subscribed, girl, click the subscribe button. It's not going to cost you not one red cent. And if you like this video and would like to see more videos like this, hit the like button. And I want y'all to make sure y'all comment down below which girly you are and which is your favorite outfit, okay? So sound off down below in the comments. Now let's get into this video. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna start with the casual fits, and honestly this dress that I'm gonna be showing, to me it is casual, but it is also on the cute side. But I wanted every group to at least have two, so that's why I put this dress in here, because really the only really casual thing that I decided to get was this bodysuit. So I'm gonna show you guys that first. So this bodysuit right here, I love it, and y'all, the material is super thick. Like, I was really surprised. Like, it's a really thick material and it feels very soft. I don't know if it comes off on camera like it's just cotton, but it's not. It's like, I don't know what type of material it is, child. I'm pretty sure it's on the site somewhere, so check it out down below. But the material is extremely thick, honey. And so I love that. I love this top. I love the thickness of it. I just love the overall look of it. And this is just like your regular sort of bodysuit. It just snaps down below. It has 3 buttons. You guys know what a bodysuit is like. Now, it's crazy because my whole life I've loved bodysuits, but I used to have extremely big boobs, and then I had an extremely big C-section gut, so I didn't like the look of bodysuits on me. So it feels good to be able to wear bodysuits now. So I got this because, honey, this is gonna be my bodysuit era, honey, okay? So yeah, I really like this bodysuit, and I even like how low it's kind of cut. So even though it's a casual fit, it gives a little bit of that sexiness as well. So yeah, I really am feeling this bodysuit, y'all. Okay, so all right, moving on. So the next thing that I have is this dress, and honestly, I wasn't so sure about this dress, but once I added the hat, I was like, yeah, this is super cute with the hat. And I would have liked to have added a belt or something to it too, but I don't know where my belts are. I had belts at some point. It's hard for me to find any of my belts. Even, child, I've never really been a belt person, but I've had belts, okay? But I feel like it would be cute if I could cinch it in with that, like with a big belt, you know, guys know, like around the waist. And I wanted a black hat with this, but I can't find my black hat, so I put my red hat on. Now with this, the material is extremely thin, y'all. So I want to throw that out there. It's extremely thin, and this dress can give grandma very easily, okay? So be careful with it. But honestly, it was my husband, that was one of his favorite dresses, so it's probably because I'm completely covered up. That one was one of his faves, and I think it was because I was so covered up. But it's also a really cute casual sort of fit. I feel like you can make it more casual by wearing flats, or, you know, more dressy by wearing heels or a wedge or something. So it could be either or, but like I said, I decided to put it with the casual category because I wanted every category to have at least 2. So now we're gonna be moving on to the cute category. Here we go. All right, y'all, so we're in the cute category, and this white long dress is so cute to me. I guess it could give sexy, but to me it gave more cute than sexy because of the lace material, also the length of it. I feel like it just has this very cute angelic sort of vibe to it, okay? I love this dress. I like a bunch of dresses that are like this, like in any color. I've seen the theme of this dress a million times, and honestly, I probably would prefer it in like a nude or something, but I wanted to try white. I've been wanting to wear more white lately. I don't know what it is about me and white, because I actually have 2 white dresses, but lately I've been really wanting to wear white and some blushes and those sort of colors. I don't know where that come from, but yeah, so I love the overall look of this dress. I like the material on this dress as well. I thought it was going to be itchy, but it's actually not. So yeah, I really love this overall dress and the look of it. Alright, so then we also have this burgundy dress. Now with this dress, I wasn't sure if I wanted to put it in the cute category or the sexy category. I put it in the cute because it kind of has this sparkly sort of sweet look to it. Now it is showing leg, honey. Okay, don't get it twisted, it is showing leg, but it's still something about it that gives this cute vibe. You know what I'm saying? I really like this dress. I thought it was cute. The lace material on the sleeves, I really like. I think it adds something extra to the dress overall. And honestly, it may look shorter than it is. I do have it kind of pulled up a little bit, so I'm making it look a little shorter than it is. So I would say it's probably a dress that comes right to your knees. I am 5'4". I don't know if I didn't tell you guys my measurements. So I'm 5'4". I am 36C bra, and I weigh 145 pounds. So those are like those details, and you guys can kind of go off that to guess how something would look on you. So yeah, that was my second little outfit that is in the cute category. Alright y'all, so now we getting into the sexy. Okay, now obviously most of these are going to be, the rest of them are all going to be in the sex category. So it's 4 more outfits and they're all in the sex category. So we're going to start with first the red dress. So this dress is a very like casual bodycon dress, and what sets it apart in my opinion is the way that it is made in the breast area. Okay, like it just, that cleavage adds that sexy to it. Also on the sides there's some sort of material that is hard, and it kind of is, I feel like, is there to give you guys the hourglass look, to kind of cinch in your waist a little bit. Now honey, I don't know if you guys don't know, but your girl ain't got no thighs, she ain't got no butt, she ain't got no hips, she ain't got none of the things, okay? I never have. No matter what size I am, I just don't get it, okay? But it has something there that kind of gives the illusion of that, if you guys can kind of see it on the screen. So to me, this dress gives very sexy, but in a way that's not like overly dressy, if you guys know what I'm saying. Now I will say I kept having an issue with my bra showing, so I would recommend either using boob tape or getting you like in one of those plunge bras, so you're not worried about your bra showing all night. If you decide to wear one, honey, you may, honey, your girls may be sitting up in the air, I don't know, but yeah. That's my only con with that dress, is that it's kind of hard to not show your bra, okay? Alright y'all, so now we get into my man's, the dress that he hates the most. He said this dress reminds him of lingerie. I personally like it, but he said something about the sleeves that he does not like. And it does kind of give that teddy sort of look in the front, as you guys can see. So that area, obviously the breast part is not see-through, and I don't wear a bra with this one because that little area is basically a bra. So you don't really have to wear a bra with this dress. But that area does have that sort of teddy sort of look to it, that y'all know what I'm saying, that sort of corset sort of vibe. I don't know how to explain it, but I like it. And that area is see-through. Now there is no see-through material on the back whatsoever. It's only in the front area. So to me it gives sexy, but it's not showing too much. Like I can't really, I'm not somebody that likes to show way too much. I'm kind of past that stage in my life. But I don't mind showing a little bit on the top if I'm covered on the bottom, and if I'm showing more on the bottom, I'll cover the top. That's kind of like has been my sort of mentality. The dress isn't extremely short, but it is showing something up at the top. So yeah, I like it, but like I said, this is the one that my man dislikes the most out of all of these. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think down below. Alright, so this dress could have also been in the cute category. I only put it in the sexy category because of that split, and honey, that split is splitting, okay? But you can pull it down some, and I should insert a clip where I'm kind of showing you. Now, it doesn't come down a whole lot, but it is not something that you have to worry about showing, you know, your undies, okay? So, but because it has that split, I put it in the sexy category. I really think it's a cute dress. It's casual. It's one of those dresses that I could see myself putting like those sticks in my hair and you know, kind of wearing that sort of vibe with it. You guys know what I'm talking about? Like when people wear kimonos and they have those little cute little sticks in their hair. That's the kind of vibe that this dress gives me. But yeah, I like it. I like the dress. Now, like, I wouldn't wear it as you guys get, like, as it came. Like, that split is a little too high for me. But I would wear it, you know, pull down some. So yeah, I really like this dress. I don't feel like it's too much. It's cute and it's sexy. Okay, it can be either or, in my opinion. Now, honey, this dress is sexy all the way around, honey. It got the boobs out. It got your side, a hole on one side and a hole on the other side, and then it got the sparkles. Then it's fitted on top of that. With this dress, the only thing I would say is that you probably cannot wear any undies. Okay, girl? Like, you may just want to leave your undies at home, girl. Okay? So that is the only thing with this dress. I don't feel like it shows too much. I think it shows enough, and it shows enough in the right areas. It just depends on you and what you think, but I personally think it shows just enough, in my humble opinion, honey. But do with that what you want to do with that. Now, it is short, and if you are a little more on the hippie side or on the taller side, then child, it's probably gonna show a little too much. It does raise up. It raises up on me, and I don't have a butt in sight, honey. Okay, so I do want you guys to be aware of that you have to kind of be mindful, you know, that it may rise up. So yeah, that is it as far as the clothes go. Okay, I got one more thing to show you guys, and then we will get on into the giveaway. Alright, y'all, so this last little thing is this jacket, honey. Okay, I figured your girl to throw in a little fur on. Okay, I've never had a fur jacket in any type of capacity, honey. I am just not somebody that will wear a fur jacket, but I thought it would be fun to get it. I really did, and it was, and the kids love it. They were rubbing it like it was a pet. So yeah, I really like this jacket. It feels very warm. Now, there are no buttons or anything on this jacket. You know, you just throw it on and try and look sexy. So I would put this jacket in the sexy category. I feel like it just gives sexy, honey. So yeah, I like this jacket, and like I said, it feels very warm. Honey, I live in Alabama, so it probably wouldn't have to be really cold enough to wear this jacket anywhere, for real. But I love the overall look of it, and it just gives something, honey. I may have to pass this one along to my mother-in-law, because it kind of gives more of her sexy Scorpio vibe than my casual Virgo vibe. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this jacket down below. Alright, y'all, so also in this video I will be doing a giveaway. There will be 2 winners, okay? In this giveaway I will be giving away 3 of the outfits per person to whoever wins the giveaway. The company, I did end up getting every outfit that you guys have seen. I have a double, okay? Now, the double has not been opened. It hasn't been touched. It's brand new, and I was like, you know what? This would be a perfect time to do a giveaway. Now, the issue is that all of these clothes are in a medium, and I know, you know, maybe everybody can't wear a medium, but maybe you can get it for somebody else that you know and love, like a daughter or a granddaughter or a friend or whatever. Because like I said, I already have the clothes. They are in a medium. So I wanted to do a giveaway, like I said, even though I know everybody won't be able to wear the clothes, but they are in a medium, and I am giving them away. So once again, shout out to Shein for this. So it'll be 2 giveaway winners. You guys can pick out 3 outfits a piece. Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 giveaway winners. You guys pick out 3 outfits a piece. just comment to enter the giveaway. All you have to do, you guys know, I always say comment a crown, and all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and following me on Instagram or on some type of other social media, and that will enter you into the giveaway. And I also need your email. So comment down below by putting a crown, and then also comment your email. Okay, does that make sense? So put a crown and your email, and you will be entered into the giveaway, and I will check that you follow me on some other social media, or email me and tell me, like, you know, I don't have IG, but I have this and I follow you, blah blah. Whatever works, whatever's clever. So that's how we're gonna do this giveaway. Because I did have extra, I wanted to be able to you know, just do a giveaway with it. So yeah, that's how you guys can enter the giveaway. Alright y'all, so that is the end of this video. Y'all let me know down below what you guys thought of the outfits. Comment down below what was your favorite outfit. Don't forget to enter this giveaway, and you know, once I pick out a winner, I personally will email you and let you know that you won, and I will get your address and shipping information, and I will send them on out to you, honey. Okay, once again, shout out to Shein for sending me all of these super cute outfits. Like, I appreciate it, honey. We're gonna be doing sun with these outfits for Valentine's Day. Okay, I already told my man, we gotta get out here in these streets, honey. Okay, so yeah, once again, shout out to Shein, and y'all don't forget to comment your favorite outfits, and don't forget to enter the giveaway, and I will see you little bugs next time. Bye. Oh, and child, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, like, comment, and subscribe. All right, moving on. Bye. Bye, y'all. Bye. I'm done.